Okay, so today we are going to continue where we left on the other time. So today, the other time, we learned how to sort data and create charts. So here we are now. So if you haven't get this, or this is your first time seeing this channel, make sure you go back. I have a playlist where all the other videos are in it, so you can go there and start watching to this point so that you can catch up and we all move together, as it is my priority that by the end of this year each and everyone will know how to navigate or use Microsoft Excel to minimize his or her time. So without wasting my time, I'll go straight to the point so that we move to other things. So today what we are going to learn, or what I am going to talk about, is how to move chart from one place to the other. So you see that we have our chart with the data here, and I want to show the charts in different sheets. So I'll create another sheet, and after that I'll come back to where I have the data with the chart, and I will point on the chart. I'll place the pointer on the chart and right click, and you will see this menu popping up, and you search for move charts, as you can see here. Then you click on the move chart and you select the object in, but maybe if you want to use the first one, you can use it, the new chart. You can select that one here and you click OK, and it will create another sheet, but it will name it chart 1. So you can delete it and name it how you want it. But for this, because of I have another sheet, I'll just go to the sheet 2 and then click OK, and you see that my chart is on sheet 2 instead of sheet 1. So sheet 1, I have the data here, and when I come to sheet 2, I have my chart also here. And I will also talk about how to resize the chart. So if you want to resize the chart, you see that on the edges you have some pointers on the edges of the chart. So you just place your pointer on that point, and you see that your pointer have changed into arrows. So you can left click, you can hold on your mouse, and then you open it. You can do that. You just click, hold your mouse, and that's it. You see. So now I am resizing the chart to make it look nice and big enough for you to see everything, what is going on. So this is what I want to teach you, or let you know about the moving and resizing your charts. So now we can move our chart from one place to the other place, as you can see here. And okay, and after this we can also stylish our charts. You know, you want to make your chart looks professional, you can also stylish it by clicking on design. So you come to design, and you see that we have many designs here. So whatever you want, you can change it. Okay, you can change and use any of them that you want. So that's what I want to talk about now. So after this, we can also quickly go to our charts layout. So you see quick layout here, we can click there, and that area we can also do many things to our chart. Okay, to make it a professional. You see that our chart is now changing whenever you place your. So let's select this one. So for now, we can see that when you come here on this orange, we see casualty. That's 8.82 views. As I already said, this is the data from some 2 channels on USA that they want to know how viewers how they are improving on their viewers. And on Microsoft Excel, it helps us to know that. So that is it. So this is it. We can now see how our chart is doing. And after this, we can also change the chart type. Okay, we can also change the chart type. So if we want to change the chart type to make it look nice, we will just go into our ribbon. Just go into our ribbon. Then in our Excel ribbon, we know that we have insert here. We will come to insert, and for insert we have charts here. So we want to change the charts. Okay, we want to change the chart, how it looks. So you can add colors, shapes, and so many things are here that you can add to your chart to make the chart looks nice. So we want to change the type of the chart, so we will come to change chart type, as you can see here. So we will click on it. So now you see, let's use this one. But for this one, it looks a little bit confusing because we don't have it looks, you see, it have the same color, and I don't really like this one. I don't really like this one. Yeah, I don't really like this one. Okay, we can go for another one. Okay, we have this one also here. Okay. So that means we can change them. But let's come to bar. Okay, here I want us to use bar. So for the bar, let's use it this one. So we change the type of the chart to this one. So now you can see how our chart is looking. You see that we are creating a professional chart. Now you are creating a professional chart. So you can do this. You can do this whenever you want to, at least makes your work look a professional. So with this one, we have been able to create our chart and also give some layout to the chart. We have changed the type of the chart. We have moved the chart from one place to the other. So for now, I think you have learned something from just these few minutes that we have done. So I'm really happy that maybe you are learning something from my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I'll drop a new video, you will be the first person to get the video. So our next thing we are going to do, we will be doing, is how to change our chart titles and series title. So you see here we have series here, we have chart here. So the next thing we are going to learn is for this one, and I can't wait to teach my people how to use those things. I can't wait to see that. I wish you all the best and new learning mindsets. We will meet again.